Hello, students of class 4. After so many days, we are meeting here again to learn value education. Are you fine all? Yes, nice. Then, students, are you comfortable yourself and ready to face new life, new challenges? Yes, I know. You are always ready to face, but tell me, what did you feel and now what do you feel about last year's experience? Did you learn or gain something or lose something? See, there is big difference in two emotions. What did we feel in the past and what do we feel in the present? We feel rescue, we feel more comfortable and relaxed with open air in life and struggle which we had. That was the big experience of life. We achieved success and got more improved ourselves, more understanding we feel now. As same, we will learn today something about these feelings and this experience. That is our lesson number 7 in value education. The name of lesson is No Pain, No Gain. Now see, road ahead. Everything that happens in our life helps us to make us better than yesterday. If you look at your past, you will see that every difficulty has made you stronger. There is no struggle, there is no progress. Now, listen the story carefully. A small story means small incident. Incident is that, and you will listen that. Aryan was a young boy who loved colorful butterflies. He used to spend a lot of time watching butterflies and how a butterfly would struggle to transform from an ugly caterpillar into a beautiful one. One summer afternoon, Aryan was in the garden. He saw a cocoon with a tiny opening. It meant that the butterfly was trying to make its way out. He decided to sit over and watch how the butterfly would come out of the cocoon. He watched the butterfly struggling to break the shell of the cocoon for almost 8 hours. Unfortunately, even after continuous attempts for many hours, there was no progress. Aryan, who had love for butterflies, decided to help the little butterfly. He got a pair of scissors and picked the cocoon to make a bigger opening for the butterfly and remove the remaining cocoon. The butterfly came out of the cocoon without any struggle. Unfortunately, the butterfly looked no longer beautiful. It had a swollen body with small and withered wings. Aryan thought that soon the butterfly would expand its wings, shrink the body, and take off in the air. But neither the wings expanded nor the swollen body reduced in size. The butterfly just crawled around. It was never able to fly all through its life. Aryan's mother, who was looking out for him, saw the butterfly and understood what his son had done. She explained to him, Aryan, although you did it with good intention, yet what you did was wrong. It is only after going through the struggles that the butterfly would grow like any other beautiful butterfly. The continuous effort from the butterfly to come out of the cocoon would let the fluid stored in the body convert into wings. The body would become lighter and smaller, and the wings would be beautiful and large. Similarly, in life, Only when we undergo struggles and face challenges do we shine and become stronger. Struggles and challenges bring out the best in us. It teaches us that we should not only go through pain but also grow through pain. It makes us far more stronger and determined. Reflections of the stories: facing challenges is part of life. When we struggle through a difficult situation, it makes us stronger. It also prepares us for the future. It uncovers our talents, potentials, and emerges to fight difficulties. It makes us shine brighter. So, these are the main importance of struggle. If our life will be plain and only happy, we will not learn anything and we will not get more which we get through the struggle. So, this is the no pain, no gain. We always remember, we must remember this and we have to follow, we have to struggle and we will achieve, we have to conquer the life. Okay, bye. See you. Have a nice day.